Yeah, we're going out. We're going out, Bill. Yeah, you don't like that idea, do you? No. You're like, oh, what is this car seat? I don't understand. Bill. Oh, Bill. Aww. What? There it is. Oh. I think he's hungry. We took Billy out, fed him, and now we're putting him back in the car seat, and it seems to be going good this time. Well, I guess just last time we said, no, I don't want to be in here just quite yet. I need to eat first.
Tighten it. I guess we got kind of a little day planned. We got to take Billy to the doctors, and I can't wait to get him weighed again, see how much weight he's gained. I think he's gained some pounds because he's heavier and he's just, yeah, heavy. After that, we're going to take Billy to Max's mom's for a little visit, so she's real stoked about that. Stoked.
She probably has no idea what that means. She's probably going to be like, why? What are you talking about a fire for? I'm not on fire. I don't need any stoking.
We just got a little bit of gas, and I just jumped in the back with Bill because he was a little sad, but I gave him the rest of his bottle, and he's got his little sucky thingy there, but he doesn't want it. He just wants to look around. He'll probably fall asleep from the movement of the car in a few minutes. Right, Bill? Right, Billy? Yeah. Hi. Hi. We're all finished at the doctor's now, and I'm visiting with Bill and Max's mom. She's enjoying some Bill time right now. Max dropped me off here because he's going to jam at my house, actually. He's going to try out his new jam spot in his room. So it's going to be damn loud there. So I'm just here for a while. Bill's the centerpiece. It's a good centerpiece, eh?
The best.
He can even move. A rotating centerpiece.
The Easter ham.
He's enjoying this, so he's just gonna... Is that good, Bill? So yeah, doctors went well. His head's bigger, he's longer in length, he's heavier, he's healthy, doing good, I'm doing good. Everything's good, so that's good. Good, good, good. This little thing looks funny, because you can see his gums in there when he's sucking on it. Like when it's moving in there, it's so funny. Like him biting down on it. Bill's just gonna sleep on the table. When I got home, Max had like a ton of band gear everywhere because Max had his band jamming here. But he got it all set up and figured out, and me and Bill laid down for a little nap. So now it's all over there in the corner, guitars, stuff. Yeah, so it was good to jam here, was it?
Yeah, all the amps are like hidden in the closet behind the black curtain. So you just run cables out of the curtain and around the fucking drum kit, and it's like there's no space taken up around the floor. It's really good.
Do you know if the cats were freaked out, or you didn't see them at all?
Sweetie didn't appreciate it at all. Micah and Philip couldn't have cared less. Sweetie, like, literally freaked out and ran like hell when Alex came in here with one of his drums in his hands.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, now it's time to figure out what to eat, and Billy will be waking up soon too, wanting to eat.
Jamming here was pretty good, except I didn't really think the drum kit would be as big as it actually is. I underestimated the size of the room, or just didn't anticipate, or whatever. I don't know. It's just a little bit bigger than I thought, but we made it work, and it's all set up and nice now. I just kind of had to maneuver around the kit a little bit to get into my closet to get a shirt, but that's no big deal. Like, you know, I only get like one shirt a day, I guess, so it's not like mind fucking blowing. It's not a big problem, you know. So hopefully we can just, get some good practices going on here. And the CD will be fucking out shortly. Should be out. The transaction of PayPal finally went through. And now I guess all I have to do is say, order now, but then we were like, ship to, and then there was no option for like Canada, and it's like, oh fuck, that's right, we gotta email the person, and then they know where we are. Fuck, lots of complications, and small little things all come together to make one fucking little CD in a case, and then that's we'll sell it to you for $10. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to order the CD, and then it'll be here in X amount of business days, and I'll have it in a fucking another box, and then I'll have a shitload of CDs for me to try and sell.